Knowledge is powerful and insightful, but the right knowledge not only gotten but engaged is capable of transforming lives and businesses. In today's video, I will be sharing with you 5 secrets to success in the fashion design business, which will help you to scale up your business, make more sales, and make more money. Make sure you stick to this video to the end because I have a giveaway for you guys. If you are ready, let's go. Hello and welcome. My name is Bolaji. On this channel, I make how-to and style videos, entrepreneurship videos, and every other thing in between. Now, if you are new here and you want more content like this, make sure you subscribe for regular notifications so that you won't miss out whenever I upload new videos. The aims and objectives of an individual before acquiring a skill or venture into a certain business is to be successful and also make money, which includes you as a fashion designer. In your journey of acquiring skill here on YouTube, most especially you guys on my platform, I know the main reason why you are here is to acquire fashion designing skill, but you must have it at the back of your mind that at the end of the day, you must make business out of that skill. And what do I mean by that? It means you must be able to make money out of the skill you've acquired. Now, I need to let you guys know this. Most people misplace skill for business. One can be skillful without business oriented, and one can be business oriented with little or no skill. Let's take for instance, fashion design business owner is different from a fashion designer, just as a bricklayer is different from a contractor. A fashion designer is someone with fashion designing skill, while a fashion design business owner is someone that makes business out of fashion designing. Now, one can start a fashion design business with little or no skill of fashion designing at all. They make use of fashion designer who doesn't know the value of his or her skill to run their fashion houses. And of course, there is nothing bad about that. That is why I'm here to help you guys to build a business out of the skill you've acquired, using the available resources around you, which is technology and the internet. Now to my 5 secrets to success in the fashion design business. Or rather, how you can start a fashion design business. I mean, how you can make business out of the skill you've acquired. Number 1 is innovation. As a fashion design business owner, innovation is a key factor you needed for you to start and be successful in the fashion business. You need to think of bringing new ideas to the existing fashion design business at all times. And this has to be a continuous thing. Remember, innovation is not a destination, but a journey. Today's innovation will become tomorrow's invention. Now to the second point, which is specialization. Specializing in one particular area of fashion designing also plays a major role in becoming successful in the fashion design business. As a fashion design business owner, it is necessary for you to focus on 1 or 2 areas of fashion designing, but not all. Come to think of it, if only one person is into corporate wears, bridal wears, suit making, kids wear, couple wears, family wears, casual wears, and so on and so forth, there is going to be a lot of distraction for such fashion house. While specializing in 1 or 2 areas will help you to stay focused, concentrated, invest rightly, and also helps you in knowing your ideal customers. In doing this, you can make more sales and make more money to run your fashion design business. Now to the third point, which is branding. Branding is a means of identification, something that makes your company to be recognized. Branding gives your business identity, name, symbol, and logo that is easily identifiable as belonging to the organization. Now, I will be analyzing the steps you need to take to give your business a proper branding. Number 1, create a unique business name. Create a unique business name. Number 2, register your business name. Number 3, create a brand logo. Number 4, design a website. Number 5, run proper ads. And number 6, receive customers' feedback. So guys, to learn more about branding plus the remaining 2 points to make it 5, these are available in my book, Success 101 in Fashion Design Business. This book is available on Amazon. But I'm giving this out free on this platform, which is the giveaway I talked about at the beginning of this video. To have access to this book, all you need to do is number 1, like this video, then go straight to the comment section and write fashion business. Please note, if you don't comment, you will not be given access to this book. But if you comment, you will be given access to download this book free of charge. Also, as we proceed in this video series, I will be focusing on the branding aspect of fashion designing. That is, how you can brand your fashion design business all by yourself without needing to pay someone to do this on your behalf. As we proceed in this series, I will be showing you how to create a brand logo using free resources around you, how you can design a landing page, mini website or e-commerce website for your business, how to promote your business by running a profitable ads on Facebook, Instagram and Google, which will help you in making more sales and make more money. That is why you need to subscribe to my channel if you haven't, so that you won't miss out any part of my subsequent videos. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video. But till then, always do remember, there is no elevator to success. You have to take the stairs.